Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. I'm going to start a new series of Solidworks tutorials. Let us learn Solidworks together. Okay, after the successful installations, you can find the icon of the Solidworks on your desktop. So we just need to double click on it. Okay, so when your software will open, you will see this window pop up. So here you can see that this is the home option, and under the home option you can see that there is the new part, assembly and drawing. So basically there are three different modules. This one is used when we are going to sketching and design a part, okay, a single part of the machine. And if we have different parts and we want to assemble, then we will select this option and we will open the assembly module. Okay, and the third option is drawing. If you already have 3D model of your machine or parts, so you can use this option. And there is another option, that is the advanced option, that is also similar. Under the advanced option you can see that there is also part, assembly and drawings. So this will also open the part, assembly and drawing. But what is the difference between advanced option and the default option? In advanced option you can create your templates and can save, and then you can open from here. Okay, but if you will use this one, then it will open the default templates of the part module, assembly module and drawing module. And here is also an option that is called open. This is used if you already have part file, assembly file and drawing file, then you can use this option to open this. And this is the recent documents that your previous work can be seen here. Okay, so let's start our first lecture, and we just click on the part. This is our main interface of part module. So here you can see that this is our main menu, and you can see these different options, and these are different features. These features are related to 3D modeling, and the sketch are related to 2D sketching. Okay, so we will use all these different options with respect to the times. Okay, so now you are in part mode and you can start your sketching. Okay, so before you want to start sketching, first you have to specify the units. Like if you want to draw your drawing or your part or your sketch in millimeter, or you want to draw your sketch in inches, so which unit you want to use? The first step is to select the appropriate unit. So if you will see at this bottom, you can see that there is a option is millimeter. This is basically we can say this is basically the unit system. So here you can see there is a small arrow. If you will click on it, so you can see these are the available options. So these are MKS unit system, CGSC unit system and MMGS unit system and IPS. If you want to use inches in your drawings, then you can just need to select inches from here. So here you can see that now it's IPS unit system, and if you want to work in meter, kilogram or second, then you just need to MKS, so you have to click here. So now I want to work in millimeter, so I just select millimeter. So this is the first option when you will start your drawing, and then you have to specify the units that you want to use. Okay, so the next step is, let us discuss about these planes. Okay, this is the name of the part. We will learn everything step by step, don't worry. Now I'm just talking about step by step. When you are here, first you have select the units, and the next step you need to draw a sketch. So it can I want to tell you that you can only draw sketch on some plane. Okay, so here we have 3 planes, right? So we can only sketch on these planes, or a flat surface. Okay, so but if we will start sketching here, so there is no a flat surface, so we can use planes. Okay, so there are three types of plane. This is front plane, you can see, this is top plane, and this is right plane. So first we discuss about these, and this is the origin. Basically origin is a point where we have the value of x, y and z coordinates is 0, so that is our origin. And here you can see that when I bring my cursor on this plane, then it shows that there is a plane, but when I remove the cursor from the plane, then you can see that we are not able to see the plane. Why? Because it's height. So how can we unhide this plane so that it will permanently show in this window? So you just need to click on the plane, and here you can see that there is option of show, so you just select this one. Okay, now you move your cursor and you can see that you are able to see the plane. And the second from here, you just need to similarly you just need to select, and then this window will pop up automatically when you will select the plane. So you just select show, and similarly you can select this and show. Now you can see that our planes are shown. This is our right plane, this is our front plane, and this is our top plane. And this point is called the origin, where the x, y and z is equal to 0. So now in this way you can hide, and if you want to hide these planes, but like when you will use to this system, then you will not like unhide these planes. You just select the plane and then you will start the sketching. Let's suppose I want to hide this plane, so what I can do, I just select this option. Okay, right click on it and then go to unhide, and then go to hide. Okay, so now we have hide our planes. Okay, so there is another very important you can see that this option is this is called the apply scene. So from here you can see you can change the color of this background. I like to prefer the plain white, so now we can see that the background color is changed. But from here you can this is our default color, and if this is gray color, so it's depends on you which type of color or you like to work during the modeling. Okay, so from here you can change, but I like to work in the white plane modeling, so I use white modeling. So this is our first video. So in next video we will discuss about the different option in sketch mode, and we will learn step by step.